Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, welcome to your complete guide to Clonixinate de Lysine with Hyoscine, your go-to medicine for dealing with pain and spasm. Whether you're dealing with bad period cramps or an upset stomach, understanding how to use this medicine effectively is super important for getting relief. Clonixinate de Lysine combined with Hyoscine works on pain and reduces muscle spasms, which makes it a powerful helper against conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and painful periods. Picture this. You're about to give a big presentation, but stomach cramps are messing with. That's where this medicine comes in. So how does it work? Clonixinate de Lysine is a pain reliever that eases your aches, while Hyoscine is an antispasmodic that relaxes your muscle. Together, they make a dynamic duo that calms down your body's overactive distress signal. When it comes to dosage, it's super important to start with the recommended starting amount and adjust it based on what your doctor tells you. Always remember that more isn't always better when it comes to medicine. It's not all perfect though. Side effects might include feeling dizzy, having a dry mouth, or even blurry vision. And if you're pregnant or have conditions like glaucoma or myasthenia gravis, talk to your doctor first. These precautions make sure you're using the medicine safely without making other conditions worse. To sum it up, Clonixinate de Lysine with Hyoscine can be your partner in fighting painful spasms and inflammation. When used correct, keeping track of your symptoms and side effects will help you and your doctor create the best treatment. Remember, knowing how to use it means using it safe. Stay healthy.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.